It would help if I unmuted my mic, wouldn't it? It would help if I unmuted my mic. Thankfully, I just read that. Thank you so much. Yeah, no, I think you can all hear me now. After that poor start for myself. The first thing that I said was, let me repeat them. The first thing that I said was, make sure, if you haven't already, check out the video from this morning, because that is going to be a much better video than this one. That was an insane video, so make sure you check out the one labelled that triangle prediction. That was very, very, very impressive video. And then you can join me for the rest of this one tonight. And I was just welcoming people. I was just saying hello. We saw Paola, ¿cómo estás, mi amor? We saw Trader R, the Legends, K-Dub, Harry, Villian, and Aaron. I wanted to say welcome, my friends, because I know you've been following me years now. So it's great to see you here. And Harry got his notification and arrived straight away. Hello, Mo, Tony. Hello. Hola. Yes, unfortunately my mic was still muted. I think I said this earlier, didn't I? I'm like by far a good YouTuber. Like, I suck at doing YouTube, and I'm really bad at doing all this sort of YouTube and streaming stuff. Like, I'm a good trader, and you watch me because of the trading, and it just sucks that I'm really bad with all the technical, like, kind of like the, I don't know, setting up the camera, because I noticed the camera, it's because it's annoying, because I swear, like, the quality of myself in this picture on the bottom for you will be bottom left. Like, I swear the quality sucks, and this is off of like I don't know, I think I spent like £1,000 on this camera, and for the quality to go in and out all the time, I always forget to unmute my mic. I don't know, I swear, like, the technical side of things is bad. Yes, let me turn this down a little bit. Hopefully that's a little bit better. Yes. So Bitcoin. I mean, let's start off with some higher term time frame lines that you can be aware of. Obviously, we still know that we got to surge towards this high trend line. Oops, didn't want to click that. I wanted to click this. So we got this. Obviously, if we make our way up towards this eventually, that sees us coming in at around 12,200. So we cannot forget these sort of levels. They're obviously high term time frame levels that you got to be aware of. Myself, let me just make sure this is okay now, because I guess I never really checked again. It's a bit loud. Yeah, hopefully that's down. I hope now. Precioso. No, preciosa tú, Paola. Shout out to Paola. Cool, so I'm glad you can all hear me. And hello, Sebastian. Hope that you're well, my friend. And hopefully that music is better now. Yeah, so I don't have any sort of plan in this video per se. It's more... yeah, just going over the charts a little bit. Obviously what we have at the moment is lower high, potentially searching for a lower high. As we know, we break out of this, we come back onto the trend line. There's obviously been talks of this being a potential basing pattern, and then you got the bump and run, which brings you up to, you know, like $13,000. So you do have this potential bump and run, which is pretty exciting. Obviously that would be really, really bullish. You know, I'm not really bearish at the moment. Like, to be honest, I'm not massively bearish, I can't say. I'm fairly neutral. I'm a neutral a lot of the time, and I guess that's because I literally will just trade the charts. So a lot of the time I am neutral, to be honest. And I guess it's also because I hardly trade such a higher term time frame to have such a high term time frame bias. But oh, somebody mentioned this to me earlier, that apparently I've been speaking so close to the mic, and it's like really way too close. This is a new microphone that I got. So another thing that I upgraded, and I swear it just made it worse. To be honest. But I got this new mic, and the problem with this mic, so this is the fairly renowned, I think loads of people use it, the Shure SM7B. Obviously the microphone famously used by Michael Jackson. But the problem with this microphone is it requires a lot of gain. It's a very quiet microphone. So with using so much gain and me speaking so close to it, it picks up a lot of the... You can like hear me swallowing and stuff. Apparently, I wasn't aware, but then someone was like, "Daniel, I can hear you swallowing in the video, or doing these noises with your mouth," and it's a bit disturbing. And I was like, "Oh my god, I'm so sorry." I actually didn't realize. And yeah, that's because I got this new mic, and apparently it's really sensitive, but I really don't know how to fix it. I was like thinking one day what I want to do is like just. The problem is like this is the problem that where my main office is it's really in the sticks, so to speak. It's in the middle of nowhere. So I would love to have like an audio guy that I know. Like none of my friends are even audio guys, but I'd love to have an audio guy and just be like, can you come around and like fix all my audio? Can you just fix my audio and video? Like I would pay whatever. But it's like knowing the people. I swear, like contacts is everything in life. It's who you know, literally. I don't know an audio person. I need to know one. So if you are an audio person and you live near me, then just send me a DM and we'll hook up. But yeah, Bitcoin. So yeah, apparently someone can hear me drinking. It's awful, isn't it? It is awful. I want the microphone to be less sensitive. But I also can't turn down the gain because otherwise it's too quiet. So it's like I'm stuck in a everyone just has to hear me like swallowing and stuff. So there you go. Yeah, so anyway, getting back to this. As we all know, we currently got curling up price action on the Bitcoin chart, very much like the other markets. Obviously, I think many of you know I'm like such a stock market bull. Like you ask me what am I going to be doing, and on Bitcoin I'm sometimes 50-50, but you ask me about the stock market, I'm just like, yeah, I'm so bullish. Obviously it's a nice day because we are seeing the bounce on the stock market. So this makes me a very, very happy person, like really happy person, really happy guy, because I love the stock market. I'm a very big bull on the stock market. I like as soon as I get to retrace, I have certain stocks that I just love. And when I get these retraces on the stocks, it's like a gold mine day. It's just like, oh wow, my favorite stock has decreased in price. Well, let's buy more. And this is what I do time and time again. And I've never been let down by that. I've absolutely never been let down by that. And that's why I don't get people that like hodl. You see fanboys, and I don't want to hate on anyone. And I'm not going to mention an altcoin. But there are certain alts that people will hold on for years now, when all it does is go down and go down and go down and go down. And I'm like, why don't you just go over to the stock market where you can literally buy Amazon? And this thing you can literally hold and hold and hold and hold for years, and you just make money, period, because all it does is go up. Not financial advice. No financial advice in this video. But like, this is what I do. People that are hodling these altcoins, it just, for me, it's absolutely senseless and really bad idea. Give me a stock with some real world value and absolutely I'll hodl that. But when it comes to altcoins, yeah, it really beats me. It really does. Because maybe if they were seeing continuous gains year on year, Link, for example. But most of the altcoins that people hodl are like these things that are like dead projects or just down year upon year. It's like, what are you doing? What are you doing with your life? No, I mean that in the nicest way possible as well. But yeah, look at the stock market today. Green absolutely across the board. This is what I love. I absolutely love this. So yeah, that just made me happy. So yeah, I got to admit, I'm feeling good about the stocks. That really makes my day. As we break out the bigger the channel. And isn't this nice? Isn't this nice that I love to do this. We are going to go back on this video. Let's go back to it a second. So this was from the daily updates. What would have it been? A few days ago? I think it would have been this daily update. I'm just going to try and find the point where we were looking at the ES. Right, you see the ES? Weekly level that we've had marked out for a really long time. Biggest, and I want to just focus, biggest market in the world. You're seeing trillions pump through this. Trillions. And look at the weekly. 3204. You want to see the perfection that is technical analysis. It says bottom of the channel into the weekly confluence. biggest market in the world, hitting the weekly, bam, look at it. Like, look at it. that's I mean, how can you not be impressed? Like, people are like, oh, the stock market is falling because of coronavirus. Oh, the stock market's rising because of a stimulus package. Well, guess what? No, this has moved off of technical analysis. This was in a downtrend until you hit the weekly, and then you reverse off that level. You put in your higher low, and you absolutely take off. I mean, how can you say that this is about X, Y, and Z when the levels on the chart? Like, are you surprised that you hit a massive technical confluence or a massive technical level? Like, this is such an important level. Like, if you follow me, you know that I've been saying, like, this weekly to 3180, if that's lost, it's really, really, really bearish. But as long as you hold this level, it's so bullish. And the way that you go down and test that stock market and you get this reaction, and like, people are trying to say, oh, it's because of coronavirus, it's because of this, and it's like, no. Like, how would have I known that this was the level that you were going to likely see a reaction from if it was based off of news or if it was based off a real world event? Obviously, it's impossible. Like this is so clear that it's based off of technical analysis. And this is why I love the stock market. Stock market is so technical. Really, really, really is. I'm a big fan of the stock market, if you can't tell. You know, obviously I love to trade Bitcoin, don't get me wrong. I absolutely love to trade Bitcoin. But when it comes to making big money, like, the stock market is just times 10 easier. And I know people love... And I know like 99% of my viewership is about cryptocurrency, but literally, yeah, I've made so much more money off of the stock market in my time, like so much more money off of the stocks, because they're just so easy. They're so easy in comparison. Well, I guess that's the wrong word. It's not they're so much easier, but they're just a lot easier to read, I suppose. There's a lot less fake outs. Like, standard technical analysis is a lot more respected. And that's what I'd say anyway. Not to hype up the stocks too much, because that straight away will get dislikes. You know, a lot of the people, hardcore fans of Bitcoin, saying that the stock market needs to crash, dollar needs to crash, and all that. Let's see what we got going on in here then. So this is what we're in right now. I definitely wasn't talking about this. Smash the likes. Come on. Yes. Come on, everyone. If you want to smash up the like, if you want to give this video a like, always much appreciated. At the moment, this surprises me. We're on 27 likes, 0 dislikes. It's extremely rare for me to upload a video with getting to this ratio. I generally upload the video, and literally within 10 seconds, it's already had about 3 or 4 dislikes. Like, there's people they must be missing. Oh, there you go. There you go. There are generally people that will just dislike instantly, like instant dislikes as soon as the video is uploaded. It's crazy. It really is. But yeah, there you go. There's nothing I can do about that. So yeah, I hope that you're all well this evening. Obviously, really, we're looking for Bitcoin to push up higher. I do believe that we can get another push up on Bitcoin. We are all reaching the weekend and everything. So yeah, I must admit, I'm looking for Bitcoin higher prices at the moment. I would enjoy a rise in price. So Link, wow, look at Link go. I wonder how much people this has caught out. Oh, I mean, look at this then. So making its way to the once, so that's a 1-to-1. So if you looked at this, there's 5 waves down then, and let's say that's correction over for Link for the first wave. What, Link's probably going to be rising all the way back up to here, so Link's probably still got another 30% to go. I mean, shout out to Link. And I mean, Link is obviously a good altcoin. If you're going to look at alts, then look at ones that actually perform. You know, Link's obviously such a great altcoin. I do enjoy trading Link. But yeah, I'd say Link can go another 30%. Hello, my friend. I hope that you are well, and no problem at all. You're more than welcome. Kids need to go to sleep early. This one, it just likes potentially. But yeah, do you mind going over your Elliott wave count, because a lot of people have been asking about it? But this is a public video, so I'm not sure if that's okay. Yeah, I'll probably do it on Sunday's live stream. I don't really like covering it in. Yeah, I'll do it for the champions on Sunday for you, mate. Dislikes are from competitors and people can't afford the majority. The majority is that. To be honest, yeah. Triangle invalidated. Well, no, actually, for me the triangle isn't invalidated, but I am still expecting high prices. This is obviously the advantage of being in the group. You all know that I have closed out on my Bitcoin short. Closed out of it earlier today. I'm no longer in my short position. Obviously, yeah, I closed out of that nearly 6 hours ago. I've no longer been in that short position on Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm looking for higher, to be honest. But obviously, I based a lot of my Bitcoin trades off of the ES, and when you had this US Open that was just ultra strong, yeah, I closed out my Bitcoin short. So obviously a good idea in the end, because we are much higher in price. But yeah, still going strong, to be honest. You can see daily open here, absolutely just pinpointing the top to the dollar, and it's obviously given this pullback. What's this? 16. And it's been holding you down now about an hour and a 30. But you can see that the level is, you know, literally to the dollar rejection down. So that's obviously the level that you want to reclaim. 10,740. So yeah, 10,740 is obviously a resistance at the moment, but take that out. That's obviously the level that you want to take. So I'll mark that out for you. I'll mark that out, and we can just simply call it. So it's daily open, but we'll just say resistance. If I can spell. Okay. So that's kind of the level that you want to see claimed. As you can see at the moment, it's acting as resistance pretty perfectly. So for any major move up, you want to see obviously this claimed. Otherwise, that's your resistance that you can be trading from to look for lower. But that's the level that I would be aware of anyway, or you know, that's the level you're rejecting from. Claim that, and you obviously look for higher. And I am looking for higher, and this is obviously over the weekend though, not necessarily today. I'm just looking for higher over the weekend. Yeah, let's see what we got going on then. Mi rey. Gracias, Bruno. Link FOMO. I mean, wouldn't you? I mean, I would FOMO into Link, to be honest. Like, I would FOMO into Link. I do like Link though. Link is one of the only altcoins that I feel is like good trades. Well, you can see the altcoins that I trade really. You know, it's not like I have a million altcoins on my list. But yeah, Link's obviously nice. Ethereum offers good trades. I am in a long on Ethereum as well, by the way. Yeah, it's looking decent. Yeah, I'm in a long on Ethereum, so if we can get this to push up, even better. Very nice. So if anybody has any questions, then you can let me know. I got a question for you all. I was debating buying Mafia Definitive Edition Remake. I was like debating it, like, should I buy this? And I don't know whether it's, well, firstly, I was debating whether I have the time for it, which obviously no one can answer that. But secondly, I was like stuck in two minds, because I also really want to get Cyberpunk when it comes out. Because that looks epic, and I'm thinking, if I buy the Mafia, will I finish that in time before Cyberpunk? Because I don't want to get Mafia if it means I'm still going to be playing it when Cyberpunk comes out. And because my time's really limited, I felt as if I wouldn't be able to finish Mafia in time, and that would suck. So yeah, first world problems. Mate, you need to take a sunbathe. I know, man. Like literally, you don't understand how much I want to take a sunbathe. I tried to actually take one today, and I got outside. It was sunny. I was like, oh yeah, it's sunny. I stood outside, and it was absolutely freezing. Absolutely freezing. The sun was shining in England, but let me tell you, it was mightily cold. Very, very cold. Very cold. So yeah, I really wanted to get away, to be honest, but the coronavirus is making things very difficult. It's very difficult at the moment. I don't really want to go on a plane. So I'm just like passing the days trading, literally, which, don't get me wrong, is enjoyable. But I would like to pass my day trading from the Maldives. So I mean, yeah, it kind of sucks, but there's nothing I can do. Obviously, I'm just waiting for coronavirus to end, and then I will go on holiday. That might not be till next year, and I don't mind waiting 6 months. Yeah, that would be cool. I've got Among Us on my phone, but I'm not sure how you play it on PC. But I have got it on the phone. So yeah, we could play this. Oh yeah, I always have to shout out the best phone case. Champions phone case. How can you not love it? But yeah, I'm up for playing some Among Us with some people here. If you explain maybe how we do this on computer, because I'm sure people won't want to just watch me sat on my phone. But yeah, we could get like 10 of us or however much it is and play. Summer 2020. Oh man, yeah. I kind of like being in lockdown, and I also don't like it. I like it because, well, it literally makes no difference to me in terms of what I do in my daily life. Like if I was in lockdown or I wasn't in lockdown, I probably would just be sat here on my computer. Although that's a lie, actually, because tonight I was meant to be playing football. We actually had a football pitch booked, just like a group of 10 mates, and we were going to play 5-a-side against each other. And we had it all booked, scheduled for 8 o'clock this evening, and then the people phoned us up and they said, "Oh, we're really sorry, but we're gonna have to cancel your booking because of the coronavirus stuff, and you can't have 10 people together in the room anymore." So we were like, "Oh, that sucks." So yeah, that ruined my plans for the night. Otherwise, I would have been playing football right now, literally right now, instead of on the stream. But coronavirus ruined the football plans. And the other thing I was meant to be doing, literally, I was meant to be having my hair cut today. And then my hairdresser also cancelled because she's ill. So I had my hair cancelled today, and then I had the football cancelled. So the day has gone not great so far, because everything's getting cancelled because of coronavirus. Ah, man, it's annoying. But I'm not one to complain, so there you go. Just a little bit. I am English at the end of the day, and the English do like to complain. Yeah, I don't get me wrong, I love my floral shirts. I do love them. I mean, Chain Link, I think Link is really, really nice asset. I mean, my analysis is enough on this one that I feel that you finished wave 5 down, and I think you're searching towards that 618, to be honest with you. That's where I would be looking towards. Feel that this is the region that you'd be searching towards. Obviously, once you finish 5 waves down, you're generally looking back up to the 4th. So it might take a little bit of a while, but this is obviously the start of a really nice impulse. That's what I'd be looking towards. Back up to wave 4. Doesn't take too long to do these analyses. I remember I saw a comment from Trader R earlier, and he said about a falling wedge. I think I was just remembered. I forgot about it, but I can't see the falling wedge that you're on about, mate. It actually means something like this. No, it doesn't really fit. Yeah, I'm not sure where the falling wedge is that you're on about, but that daily open, it's still holding as resistance. Obviously, this is so local. This is a scalper's trade, you know, but nevertheless, that is holding well. We just have to all download it. It would be easier to play League. I'm not even sure if I still have League of Legends installed, by the way. Or definitely I won't have the latest update. No, that's for sure, because I literally haven't played any video games in a very long time. I'm worried that if I click on this, it like shows my email address or something. Don't think it shows email, no. I hope not. Otherwise that will kind of suck. See if it does show my email address. If it does, then welcome to my email. No, it doesn't. Cool. Yeah, well, I didn't think it would have had the latest update. I haven't played this for quite a while. Let's see what we have though. Oh, thank you, Lord, for this new day. Oh, thank you, Lord, for this new day. What am I searching for? Oh, yes, that's it. Riot. Oh, it doesn't tell me what my password is. I really can't remember actually what my details are. I don't know why it's signed me out. I can have a good guess though. How about that for a good guess? What is ranked? I don't know. I've just been playing League from like 2010. I don't know what ranked is though. Oh, they've changed everything. Wow, what is going on? Okay. So apparently we're playing League of Legends. I would love to get Neo on this stream, by the way. I would like to get Neo on this. I don't know how we can do a voice chat though. But if you're around Neo, I would like to get you on the stream because I really like Neo. He's a good guy. I don't know how I get you onto here though, so people can hear you. And I'm not sure whether you're at your house or either. Otherwise, we could play League. And people can watch us play. Trust me, it would be a good laugh because Neo is hilarious. Oh, come on. This is the Great British Pounds. Look at my currency, guys. Look at my currency. It's just falling down and down and down and down. I'm not happy. I'm not happy with the Great British Pound. It's awful. Look at this is the Great British Pound, and take a look at the USD. I mean, why is this? And now we can look at the direct comparison: USD, Great British Pounds, US, and obviously that's not cryptocurrency. Take a look at this then. You know, this is not good. This is really not good. Like USD absolutely going large, and Great British Pound just getting absolutely destroyed. Absolutely destroyed. Yeah, so that's not so good. But never mind. Yes, pulling back. Obviously, wow, to get back above the middle of that channel has been an incredible day. A very incredible day. I have to see how it closes. We got about another hour, just over an hour left. Be very nice as long as we hold above 3270. I'll be very content. So you see that on gold? The flip that you had on gold was pretty cool. This was obviously your weekly support flipping into resistance. You know, it is nice. Oil. It's obviously the oil futures. And we all know what happened. That was crazy. I don't know how many of you, out of interest, how many of you bought a really big dip on oil? I mean, that was an opportunity and a half, wasn't it? It really was. You know, by being able to buy oil, $15. Yeah, that was so incredible. But yeah, obviously the recovery now has managed to fill in the original gap that you had. And then hovering around the CC. But yeah, oil. I mean, some of those opportunities that were given to you during that really March time. I mean, March gave so many opportunities. So many opportunities. Not just on crypto, obviously. I primarily refer to the stock market there, but it just gave so many dips that were just like, wow, buy me. XRP still in the range. Obviously, that's from the monthly support up to weekly resistance. It doesn't really know what it wants to do next, does it? It's been in that a long time. Oh, that sucks, man. That does suck. I would recommend the ES and Bitcoin. Yeah, Brexit, really bad. The podcast is hard. I'm going to do it with Mike, I believe. And it's just like finding a time when me and Mike have an hour to sit down and not talk business and talk, do a podcast. It's my fault because I'm just too busy, really. Like to coincide our time. Mike's gone to Germany for the weekend. I don't know if anyone, I'm pretty sure people knew that. But yeah, Mike's in Germany this weekend. I'm in my house. But yes, it's difficult to find a time when we're both available. But I want to do it. I would imagine before the end of the year. What we be October, November. Yeah, by the end of the year. I can't tell you a date, but it should be by the end of the year. So give us a few months. So yeah, I would say before December. I think I might play a game of League. And we can then also review if any major move happens on Bitcoin. See, we got the support coming in around 10,650, resistance 10,750. Nice $100 range. That's what you got really on Bitcoin, that $100 range. We'll play a game of League while we wait for that $100 range to play out. Might not retrace all the way down there, but that's your next support, obviously. I am bad at commentating, by the way, while playing. I might just get a drink really quickly. Bear with me, I need to go get a drink. I'll be literally 1 minute. And I am back. with still no game found. What are we watching? You're gonna watch me play League. You can watch the viewers crash to about like one viewer, but I want to play a game of League. I haven't played this in literally months. I can't remember the last time I played a game of League, so should be interesting. I'll have fun. Never thought I'd be watching you play League. That's the first time for everything. Is uni above? But oh, this uni thing has so much hype. I'm gonna have to say no. I don't even want to look at the chart, but I'm gonna say like uni is probably not bullish above $5. I remember someone said to me, "Oh, uni is the most uni is the most undervalued coin I've ever seen." Like something like, "Oh, uni is the most undervalued thing I've ever seen." It's like, what? This thing is just pumped apparently like hundreds of percent. I really wish I had my hair cut. I don't really like having long hair. I prefer to watch trading. I'm sure like 99% of the people here prefer to watch trading, but we can take it slow. We can take it slow. Switch back and forth every 5 minutes. To be honest, Bitcoin's still looking good. We're still expecting higher prices, but it's not something that I'm going to be watching for the next 30 minutes or so while I play this game of League. Priorities, right? Priorities. But to be honest, I don't really like trading on Friday night / the weekend. Like if it wasn't for the coronavirus, I wouldn't be home right now. So League of Legends it is. While we see if we get any moves here. Any obvious patterns that you see? Not really. Oh, you wanna see this post that I done yesterday? So this is going to be another one about, yeah, let's go Fizz. It's going to be one about ETH. View your server as any role. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah. So obviously we originally had the first swing failure pattern. As always, very nice rise, taking profits on Ethereum. But what I was after was the retest of the value area low. Okay, you can see this coming in here. And that's what we look as if we are retesting right now. Obviously, Ethereum has been technical. We had that rising wedge, broke down to the CC, broke up to take the high, fell all the way back down to take the low. And then, well, I wanted the retest of the value area low. And that is, we're about another 2% away from it. So, yeah. Ethereum, though, pretty easy to trade. And this is the thing. Let me pause this. I'm like becoming much more of a scalp trader. I just am getting more and more into scalp trading. I just enjoy it more at the moment. I find it, well, and I'm also finding it a lot easier. Yeah, I must say, I just am absolutely preferring swing trading at the moment. And it's weird because I've always gone through the cycles of preferring swing trading, preferring scalping, preferring swing trading, preferring scalping, and like without a doubt at the moment I'm absolutely loving swing trading. I just feel as if Well, it's just so clear on the higher term timeframes. And like today, on the lower term timeframes, it's choppy. Bitcoin is a little bit choppy down on the lower term timeframes. When you see originally the day started off a bit, it started off a bearish morning. You come down to the lows, you get a lot of chop down around the lows, and it makes its way back up. So you see like down, left, right, and center sort of thing. Whereas on the higher term time frame, you can still say, well, the trend still locally is up. You've got the impulse. So obviously, what do you look for out of this? You look for the impulse, consolidation impulse. So, I mean, like from a swing trader's perspective, it's so much easier to hold the trades longer and not get in and out, in and out, in and out. And I'm just enjoying that style recently. And that's like from a swing trader's perspective, I just think it's easier because you take a lot less trades. You can hold on to your trades for longer. You get less chop. You'll have to let me know if you can hear this or not, by the way. I have no sound. I'm not sure what's going on. We have now a little bit of sound. Buy Bitcoin. Moon incoming. This is my what I do for Bitcoin. Whenever I go into a league game, I always will say buy Bitcoin. BTC 11k by Monday. Now I better be a bit more serious before my teammates report me for being a troll. Minions have spawned. Oh, I didn't even buy items. You see how noob I am? I literally have forgot because I haven't played in so long. I'm definitely getting reported in this game. If I don't get report, then I don't know. Oh, and I'm playing against Yasu. One jump ahead of you. But I'm one jump ahead of him. Come on, I need this XP. I'm gonna miss it. Oh, I made it. Brilliant. Oh yeah, this is not gonna be good. I can already tell. This is really a bad start. And he said, "Oh my! I didn't even hit the CS." And I am now going to be behind on lane as well. This is an embarrassing start for League. Change your game to borderless. Because of the banner at the top now. I'm going to have to do that in a minute. What does it do though if I change to borderless? You guys are just watching me struggle right now. I can't even hit. Oh, how I have not missed League of Legends. Hijo de puta. Come on. God, why are you not going in? If my team weren't so scared, literally. Well, there we go. We had a little team fight. If you need to tab out, it don't get all funky on your monitors. Your monitors won't flash 1,000 times. Oh, sorry. I didn't know that the monitors would flash out. Oh, we're getting the Bitcoin rise. This is good. We're making money while playing League of Legends. Isn't that the dream? Isn't that the dream, ladies and gentlemen? It's my dream anyway. It's my dream. Hijo de puta. I think I can. Don't have Ignite though. If I had Ignite, I would try and challenge him right now. Puta madre. Problem is, it's very hard to CS. You'll have to let me know if Bitcoin breaks that high, because I probably will not be able to withstand anymore not taking the trade on it. If Yasuo was a trader, he would definitely long the top. I agree. And Fizz would be the little sneaky trader on those swing failure patterns. You have to admit, Fizz is a swing failure pattern trader. He's countering everyone with his little in and outs. Look at this guy. Yeah, man. This is not good. Look, I mean, who buys magic resist on their first back?
Come on, let's go.
Look at this guy buying magic resist on his first back. Come on. Yasuo. How's Bitcoin doing? Oh, yes. Still edging. Still edging up. It's alright.
They won't catch me.
Wow, really?
I'll show them a watery grave.
And I do need to ward. I do realise this. And I should have bought wards when I was back. I don't even know. I'm just forgetting everything, I swear.
Wanna see a trick?
Get wrecked! That was like playing like a blue one-handed guy as well. I don't even know what I'm doing. But... no, I'm gonna get caught now. Watch this. Run, Fizz, run. Oh well, we distracted the dragon. This game looks winnable.
One jump ahead of you.
Bitcoin still going up. Come on. Living my best life.
An ally
Yeah, I can't believe this is a rank game.
has been slain.
Haven't played in God knows how long. And I'm beating him.
An ally has been slain. An ally has been slain.
We want to clear the lane really quick. Oh, he's back. Oh, you are dead. Ah! I forget about his stupid E. Oh, wow. Are you kidding me? Really, Flash? He's scared. He's scared. Come on, try that again. I will bait him over to you. Oh, look at it. Ah! No, well, he got the kill. It's because I haven't played. Oh, I'm going to stop using that as the excuse. But, oh, yes, nice. Everybody just baiting flashes right now. Oh, no. They're taking mid, right? They're going to take mid. But there's nothing I can do about it. Why is Bitcoin not moving? Come on, Bitcoin. Is Ethereum doing me well? Yes, Ethereum's doing me well. At least Ethereum's moving up. Oh. I haven't ganked a single lane. My team are probably so mad. I'm fizz and I don't leave mid. Nah! What am I doing? That was so bad. Oh my, that was literally so bad. Oh my. That was absolutely awful. I can't believe that. I was trying to... Oh my. I was trying to click and I just couldn't control where I was looking. That is so bad. I just choked really bad. There you go. I'm looking forward to the reports at the end of this game. GC holding up the party, literally. Ah! I need to stop going AFK.
No fear.
Mwahahaha. Good play. We needed that. We did need that. No, I can't. I see your comment, Jordan. I can't handle the streaming pressure. I cannot perform. But it's a different experience. It's like when I'm trading. It always feels different when you're on stream. It's like you get the added pressure of people watching. For me, it's the hardest thing is trying to commentate. It's very difficult to speak. For me, anyway, it's very difficult to like speak and play. And if you're actually trying to concentrate, I don't know how people do it. Really? I do need to gank.
Your turret has been destroyed.
No! I thought she was going to run, but she was warding it. Oh my god. What's going on, literally? Oh my. Let's just forfeit. No! Oh my. You just forfeit, literally. I have no words. I have no words. At least I'm making money on Bitcoin. But yeah, oh man, how awful was that, literally? That was poor.
Your turret has been destroyed.
No fear.
I want to check something. I'm really sorry for the screen flickering and all this. I do need to change it onto borderless, I know. Oh no! 6 HP. I mean, how am I not getting a get reported on this game? I will stop playing. I don't want to be a troll. I don't want to troll my team, but the pressure is hard.
One jump ahead of you.
Come on, I've done a good ult then on the ACD and no one follows up.
I'm ready.
We have lost. When are we in esports? Maybe when I find someone that can play, because I am not good at this. I am choking. You're not going to get away from me. I was not going to let her get away. And I do think we should surrender. I do think this game's over. Yeah, I've realised I need to use the game in windowed mode. I'm just not sure how to change halfway through the game, if this is possible. We got to surrender though, so. Windowed mode. What is it? Windowed mode. Borderless. What am I meant to use? Borderless or windowed? This is absolutely just lagged out my game. Forfeit. Fizz literally trolled. My team want to forfeit because I'm literally trolling, apparently. I'm not trying to troll. I'm not sure whether I'm meant to be borderless or windowed. Oh yes, we're getting to push on Bitcoin as well. Come on. There you go. This is on borderless, so oh my. Yeah, I kind of want to forfeit because I do want to actually go and trade. I do need to get out of this game. This is my favourite way out of looking at it. Looking good. Come on, let's just lose. I do want to get out of this game. Yeah, I am getting reported. I deserve the reports, to be honest. I put my hands up. I do deserve that. Right, there we go. We are out of League of Legends, and what an awful decision that was to try and play. To be honest. Yeah, so what we can see here is the ES continuing its strength. I'm liking this. The ES is continuing its strength. Obviously, we're seeing Ethereum with its continued strength. We are seeing gold the weakest, and obviously Bitcoin strong. So we've got Bitcoin pushing up, we've got Ethereum pushing up, we've got the ES pushing up, and we've got gold doing nothing, going sideways. So this is good for another move to the upside. I'm happy. I'm content. If you didn't know, everybody, I closed my short. And I am searching for these higher prices right now. It's really, we want to get above that daily open. Really want to get back above it. We can look towards these higher prices. 10,850, 10,900. That would be nice. That would be nice indeed. Let me just check what we got going on in here. Oh, today is a good day. It really is nice. Very relaxing day. Very relax. Okay, you got some bearish CVD divergences going on, but with the strength in the overall markets, one would hope it could still go. But you are getting some bearish divergences here. But I would like to see another push. But I am getting greedy. But I'd like another push. Although the divergences are there now. Let's pop out the chat again. We probably lost a lot of people after me playing League there, especially in the way I played it. Embarrassing, wasn't it? Now we're a gaming channel now. Chart Champions gone esports. Desktop refresh rate and game need to be the same. So is that windowed or borderless then? I guess I'll keep it on borderless from now. I doubt it's very unlikely that we play a game. Like, if I play a game on stream. Like, this is once in a blue moon. Play PUBG? No, I don't play PUBG. The only game that I'm looking forward to next is Cyberpunk, to be honest. It's obviously single player. Yeah, if we didn't have those divergences, I would play with the momentum, but because of the divergences, I don't feel like playing with the momentum. Kind of sucks. But what can you do? This is what I mean, you got to trade with what you're given. You do have to trade with what you're given. What time are we on? 22 minutes. If anyone has any questions, let me know. I'll stay on for like a few more minutes. And then I am going to call it a night. So any questions, let me know and I'll take them. If not, I am going to head off. That depends if you're buying them. I have no idea who you're speaking to, but obviously we've cleaned up the channels a little bit. We've tried to do a little bit of a clean up so it's not so messy. So it should be a lot easier to see what you're doing. I'll do these last two questions then, and then we'll call it a day. As we're getting this push, this is nice. This is looking promising. What do I expect for the weekend? Oh well, Bruno, you're a champion. You should know what I'm looking for on the weekend already. Obviously, I'm looking for a push to the upside. For those that's at levels, I did post them in the group earlier. But basically, I'm looking for higher. I'm expecting another move to the upside over the weekend, or we might get it today, and then the weekend can be red. But overall, I'm looking for that push to the upside. So yeah, we're looking for higher prices at the moment. And the other question was, I'm stuck with a long at 11,900. Do I think I'll get out soon? I mean, this is what I really don't understand. Let's say you're stuck in a long at 11,900. I mean, why have you not closed out before? I mean, I just don't understand. You know, that means that you are long here. So you've been long here. I mean, why would you hold this long all the way down and then down again, just like waiting for it to come back up? I just really don't understand. Put a stop loss here, and then you could have been long from down here. You could have been long from here. You could have been long from here. I mean, I just don't understand how you can be trapped in a long. I'm going to be mean to be nice. Like, I'm not being sorry. I'm going to be mean to be nice. But if you are long from up here, why are you still in the trade? Like, why are you still in that trade? Why have you not had a stop loss? 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 I mean, how can you still be in a trade? I just really don't understand. I really, really, really don't understand. And yeah, maybe you get out break even, but I can guarantee, unless you learn what you're doing on these charts, you're going to be in the exact same situation next week. Like, to be honest, like, if you've not learned a lesson to have done a stop loss and you're underwater, well, no, obviously you were massively underwater and now you're not so. But like the strategy of like, it's just really, really awful trading. Like, this really, really bad trading. So what you need to do is learn. Because otherwise, yeah, you might get out break even, but I can almost guarantee you're going to be in this situation again next week, because unless you learn that lesson of risk management, it's a downward spiral and you're just going to keep throwing away and throwing away and throwing away and throwing away money. And yeah, that's going to be me being mean to be nice, but I'm sorry, I really don't understand how you can still be in a long from up here, because you've had so much opportunity to get out of that long. But yeah, there you go. I think what you got to do is plan out your trades better. You got to plan out those trades better. With no plan, your plan is to fail. So, I mean, ultimately, one would have to say what you are doing is just totally gambling that it goes back up. I mean, I would imagine that you have absolutely no plan, and that means your plan is to fail. So make a plan for your next trade. Your overall trading will improve. You need to make those plans. And if you don't know how to do your plans, you can come to me and I can assist with your plans. But you know, that's the first thing that I would say. You need that plan, because it's really amateur, really, really poor to be in a long from 900 and still be in it. I really can't see how you done it. I have got a really good video coming out next week. It's called, the video is called Take Profits. And I have,
ladies and gentlemen.
I've got this video planned to release sometime next week. So you can look forward to this. It's a little bit, obviously, the old recording's a bit old, but I kept on having new videos to release and stuff. So I'll release it at some point next week. And I think that should help you out a lot. So you can look forward to that some point in the week. As we're still getting this push up on Bitcoin, I'm happy. We played. I've done nothing in this live stream. I've been speaking for over an hour. We've played some League of Legends and we've made money at the same time. It is good. I've done literally nothing and we've made money. So I mean, how is that not? How is that not living the absolute trading dream? For me, it is. We've made money on Ethereum. That's still going. We've made money on Bitcoin. That's still going, and we've made money on the stock market. It's been a good few hours. Well, really, as soon as the stock market opened today at 2:30 to, we were going nearly 7 hours, and it's just been fire. It really has. So shout out to the stock market for assisting Bitcoin on this push to the upside. And with that said, I'm going to wish you all a good night. Hope you've enjoyed. I think the biggest value that you can get from this is probably one the first second. As soon as you heard the words of "I've closed the short," I mean that was your time to react. Let's be honest. As soon as you heard those words come out of my mouth, if you had listened, then you'd be smiling with me right now. Obviously, the champions knew I was out of that short before because I closed out of the short about 6 hours ago. But yeah, nevertheless, we're getting that push to the upside. That makes me happy. And overall, we had that decline, recovery, resistance flip, and push, primarily based off of the ES. So there you go. Shout out to the stock market. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers, everybody. Have a brilliant weekend. I'll catch you on Monday. Thanks. Bye.